So, Jitesh, I disagree with your point. You told that cybercrime is increasing. So, cybercrime is caused by the criminals, not the regular IT guy. So, it is not by the internet itself. It is by so they can hack banks, government, and banks and companies. They are regularly improving their cyber security. As a as I am working in a tech company, so I know that cyber security is very much increasing nowadays. So the people who are engaging in this cyber crime, they are most they are more smart than normal guys. So they are more smarter than the normal people. Okay, they are smarter than the normal people.
So
Second
let me
point.
counter your point. You said that you are a IT guy,
Yes,
but
You are a IT guy.
you are a IT guy.
you
I
are
am
working in a
Uh,
a article.
you are an IT guy. Sorry, but Faizan sir, if you said that you are an IT guy, so you have to know that the term cyber means internet.
yes.
Crime is different and cyber crime is different. When the internet is involved in a crime, it becomes cyber crime. So while if I focus on your point that cyber crime is done by a criminal, not with internet, you are saying correct. But uh, the main point here in this, that uh, inter the crime which was committed by the using of internet is known as the cyber crime. That was I am talking about. uh, and in your point you mentioned that all the criminals are doing cyber crimes, right?
Hmm.
No. So in your opinion, murder, uh, theft, robbery, extortion, it is also a cyber crime.
No, no, this is not a cyber crime.
Yes, this is my exactly point. Cybercrime is different and it is caused by the internet.
So cyber crime is not a problem that created that caused by the internet itself. So let me let me give you an example. So just we don't blame the roads. That accident can happen if the
We should not
we
blame the tool. We should blame the person who's doing something
yes
using that tool.
yes yes sir yes sir
Done?
yes sir
Done?
yes.
Now, Vansh will be speaking more about it because he has not got even a single chance. He's from your team. So he will make some good points, I hope.
Yes, yes. Like we know that internet, yes, it has many disadvantages. But don't you think that every invention that human being has made has disadvantages? Even though that we take many advantages from our things, we also have many disadvantages. For example, a knife. If you are skilled enough and use it in the right way, you can become a chef. But if you use it to harm others, it will obviously be a disadvantage. That doesn't mean that you have to ban the knife. So my point is that how a person use something depends on them. You cannot blame the knife for murdering someone, right? If a person murders
Use or
somebody,
how a person uses.
how a person uses a knife, you cannot, or some invention, you cannot blame on that particular invention, right? You should blame the person. Like we have also gained many things if you think about it. Like in the time of pandemic, we got online education, online learning, right? If we if we did not have any internet at that time, we would have lost years of knowledge, and wasted our time in that period, right? And also, like as we know that uh, in previous time, in ancient time, there was uh, no roads. Or sorry, I forgot the word. Zari, can you understand?
Sorry,
Zari?
Way.
Oh, way.
we can
Yeah,
say.
there was no way for people to connect from another parts of nations, right? And they couldn't sell properly with the other countries too. So after getting access to internet, even the small businesses that were on the verge of bankruptcy, they can also sell their products internationally, right? So that's a
Listen,
very
listen, listen.
positive
They were on the verge of being
Sir, you are
bankrupt.
Sir,
muted.
you are on
It's
mute.
my own.
Okay, thank you so much for telling me. They were on the verge of being bankrupt. That's a good sentence. But after that, they can do something like past
No,
or present.
but I'm saying that, but they can now sell their products internationally.
Now they can sell. Can't we say they were on the verge of being bankrupt, but they, with the help of internet, sold their product or service in every part of the world? So past plus past makes sense. If we say वो bankrupt होने की बिल्कुल कागार पे थे, verge means like the last point of it, कागार, तो वो ये कर सकते हैं. It does not make sense. वो थे और वो ये कर सकते हैं. Getting?
Okay.
Please continue.
So yeah, and he also like got chance to connect internationally, and he's selling his works internationally too. So I think that internet has provided much more than is giving disadvantage. But if you are still concerned with that cyber crime things and many things that are problem of many problems that are coming from internet, we should educate people about internet, how to safely use internet, because like we know that many people are still getting scammed online. Why are they getting scammed? Because they don't have prior knowledge about it, right? So the government is also taking initiatives in making people more knowledgeable about it, getting them more aware about cyber crimes. How can they
Aware
can
about,
avoid it?
aware of.
Aware of cyber crimes. How can they avoid it and can be saved from them? So
And
I
now
think that
whenever we call anyone, that's the, that's something we hear, that you have to be saved from cyber crime. If anyone calls you, a known person calls you, does something, so this all is going on. So they are taking the initiative so that the normal people, the common people, or anyone does not become the victim of it. Okay, fine. Gaurav, any counter?
Yes.
Okay.
You have raised some good point, Vansh, but I am not
Some
totally
good
agree
point.
points.
Okay.
But I am not totally agree with your
I
points.
am not totally agree.
Not.
No, I don't.
Sorry. I
I don't
don't.
agree.
am not नहीं
I
आता agree के
don't
साथ.
don't agree with your points. Some of your points. And the first one is you said that problem is not in tool, it is in person. For instance, you are giving the reference of knife in which in those points. So my point, my counter is that you are saying it yourself that the problem is not in person or is not in tool. It is in person, right? So you are saying that the person who invented the internet, it his fault, not in the internet. But I am saying that the problem is in the internet, not in the person. Maybe he invented
no, no,
this
no.
thing. Maybe
You
he
got the
invented
wrong
sorry,
idea. Sorry.
I was silent while you were speaking, so now it is my turn.
Okay,
Let me
okay.
complete my point.
And
so
sir,
so you are saying that the problem is in the person who has invented the internet, not in the internet. Okay. And your second point is internet lacks of paths and ways. That it means that there are so many means so many paths where the people can sell their products internationally. You are saying this, right? But don't you think that they are also hurting the domestic workers of our country? Because the international markets are capturing our markets, and they are selling their products in our markets, and our domestic producers, our local producers are facing problems because of that. And why? Yes, traditional businesses are and that is happened when the Britishers do these things with us. They take raw material from us and came back with the finished products and sell in our markets with higher rates. Are you getting my point? So the internet is causing problem, not solving this. They are hampering our domestic workers, they are hampering our economy, they are introducing their fancy products in our country, for example brands, clothing brands like Zara, H&M. And because of that, our traditional dresses like saris, our culture, kurta pajamas, they are starting getting vanishing, and people are ashamed of wearing that because of that culture. And when we talk about the food culture, uh, pizzas, burgers, pastas, macaronis, they are coming from there. And they are what we call that, advertising through internet, and people are aware of that thing. Oh, new drink matcha. I haven't tried it that, but they are they are hampering people mind, or they are targeting our people because of what? Because of internet. So the main root cause is internet. So we can say that internet has caused many problems than it has solved.
So, Gaurav, you could have countered the very first point very well. You did not, I believe, articulate it so well. That's why Vansh was saying no to it. Vansh, the point of Gaurav was, if you believe, if you agree that the problem is not in the tool, it is in the person. So he's also talking about the person who invented it. So he's saying, why did the person invent the tool, such kind of tool? So he was saying, you are say like the way you are saying it is in the person. He also agrees it is, the problem is in the person. The person created more problems by inventing it. Something like this you were saying, I guess. So if any counter you have on this first point.
Yes, yes. For the first point, I think that inventor doesn't invent things thinking that it would harm other people, right? He thinks about it will help people and himself,
Or
right?
how it will solve the bigger problem.
Yes. So for how it will solve the bigger problem, but the problems comes after people start getting used to it and thinks more ways how they can use it, right? If we think about
How
internet,
they can
uh,
use it or how they can misuse it.
how they can misuse it, right? Because human beings are very innovative, and they have many ideas through which we are currently we are using internet, we are using laptop right now, right? We are using headphones. These inventions are made by humans, but when they are made only when we have ideas, people have ideas. And same thing for the cybercrime. The inventor of internet didn't think that someone will think of misusing it by doing cybercrime, right? So it was invented later on So we cannot blame the person who invented the internet.
It was invented later on. You are talking about cybercrime, I guess. So it was not invented, it was discovered. It was a discovery.
Yeah, yeah. It was discovered later on, but we cannot, for that only, we cannot blame the inventor of the internet, right? And yes, the second point of yours was that what was it? I like
International markets are hampering
yeah,
our
international
domestic
No,
sector.
you
markets
don't have to help
and
anyone. People have to ride by themselves. If somebody is missing something, you have a good chance. You are free from their counters. So why are you helping them? Yeah, please
uh,
continue.
yes, sir. So I think that through internet, even though that international market is coming in our economy, it is also giving chance for our economy to grow by like people adapt through these challenges by like for example, international market gives a new product that our own economy can adopt and do well in it. So it's not like negative point, it can be positive. And that doesn't mean, and also one more point, that one more thing, that uh, yes, so one point that even though like we know that we are suffering more, but don't you think that our economy, our nation has also given much more products and like exported much more products uh, in internationally, right? For example, in spices and uh, some clothes. I don't know about clothes, like spices or farming products, right? So we have also exported these things that internationally through internet only, right? So I think that it's positive point, and even though we are having much more challenges, we are doing good enough right now.
Vansh, I think you could have given one more example, like the example of a bike. You could have asked Jitesh whether he has a bike or a scooty. If he says yes, you can say now so many people become the victim of the road accidents because they perform stunts. Sometimes they go with so much speed. Will you blame the makers of bike for it? Raising the question is a good way of defeating someone. So you can do that as well the next time. Take your time, no problem. I know you are not well, but still, if you are trying to speak, you have already won the debate. If still you are trying to speak, so speak whatever comes to your mind. And I know very well, whenever we come to the class after a long time, this problem we face, we are not able to speak anything. We stay silent because we are afraid of speaking something wrong or not being grammatically correct. You don't have to think about it, just go ahead, keep your thought.
Used to have my older colleagues.
Is that all?
I just want to put my older colleagues points.
You can.
I'm just saying, I'm just saying nowadays people are totally addicted to their internet. Like not the young generation, even the elder one also. Even they are not focusing in their health. They are just totally addicted to their phones. Even they are not going outside, and they are having lots of you can say lots of medical problems. This is
Can you name
my
some of them?
like um, person the first is eye problem. They they spend their whole time on mobile phones,
Yes.
laptop, and they are facing means how can I say since that matlab, uh, they are facing eye pain also, headache, migraines.
Right.
And because of internet, people spread lot of fake news.
That's a very good point.
And a- as we know, in India, one fake news is spread like a uh, how we can say,
One rumor, can we call it afwa? One
huh,
rumor
yes,
spreads faster than a fact or faster than the real news.
yes, sir. We can say like that. It that kind of news is affect people also. They like
People
and
fight with
my
each other on the name of religion as well, so many times
yes, sir.
because of it.
We can say like this. Even we can say like uh, caste also, not in religion, in caste also.
Right.
And we can say like nowadays children are not focusing in their classes, like we can like
Like
I
Kanan is coming here in the class once in a blue moon.
but I am in hospital now.
Got it, I'm just kidding.
This is not all about internet, but
Right.
I'm just trying to say, nowadays children are not able to study without their phones. They need their phones. They are not using their mind. They just if they uh, my point is that uh, if matlab they are not using their they are not able to use their mind. They depend on Google, internet,
On Chat GPT as well, right?
chat GPT as well, because they are totally addicted. They know we have lots of options. If we are stuck in anywhere, so we can use Google, we can do chat GPT also.
So you don't feel it is solving the problems of people, you think it is
But
causing
sir,
more
I'm
problems
just
because people
it's
are becoming
solving,
lazy
but
nowadays.
yes, sir. Uh, Even because one more point is, while eating food, people are scrolling Instagram, Facebook. Not nowadays, everyone, parents are not focusing on their children, what they are doing, how they are using internet, and even one more thing, PUBG,
Yeah, people are playing online games.
online games, and because of online game, lots of the children do suicides also.
There was a game, I have forgotten the name of it, because of which people were
Blue
committing
whale,
suicide, they were
Blue whale,
jumping
blue.
off from the
blue
blue
whale.
whale. There were
Because
some
of sir,
tasks.
because of PUBG also, lots of the uh, uh, boys and girl become से चिड़चिड़े को क्या कहते हैं, irritating.
Irritated.
हाँ,
Irritated.
they are getting
इरिटेटिंग नहीं, इफ दे बिकम इरिटेटिंग तो लोग उनसे इरिटेट होंगे. दे
so
बिकम इरिटेटेड.
they become irritated.
Okay, right. So how many of you play PUBG? I
Shazan.
have never played in my life. Literally, I have not even downloaded in
I
my
tried
phone.
it in lockdown.
I have a gaming phone, but still I don't have it. And people, if you play PUBG and you are sitting here alive, then congratulations, because so many people died because
No,
of
I was
PUBG.
not totally addicted to that game, but
Okay.
I tried it.
Okay. Because everything we should try once. That is
So
something, the common thing we
I
keep
have
on
But
one
hearing
more
from
now,
people.
point.
but now I understand that try is a trap. If you try something, that you fall into that trap.
So one tea comes with another tea. Like
I,
buy one get one free, something like this. Yes.
sir, I have a question. How Seema and Sachin are met?
Same point I have.
How Seema and Sachin
When
met? No.
Sachin fall in
How
love.
how
So you are
How
saying that internet is doing good thing. They are
no internet
connecting people from borders.
Connecting people
internet
from border. And India. I saw that. I don't know that there is a girl from China and there is a boy from India. and they
You
also got
you
married
mean to say that
couple
you
of months.
also want a girl from America? Naively Shabji.
So
Hopefully, if I get married.
okay, fine. So yeah, they met because of internet, and some of you might be following Seema's account
No, sir.
No,
Not
sir,
yet.
no, sir,
on Insta. No, nobody's following
No.
that.
no, no, sir.
Once somebody was talking about it in my class about Seema and Sachin. Some topic came up like this, and they started talking about it. About it, the whole class has started speaking about it. So somebody told me that Seema has an account on Instagram and he follows that account. People are literally different, you know. Okay. So now, if anyone can counter this point of Kanan, which is a very strong point, because of internet, fake news is being spread all over the place, and people are fighting because of it. It is something serious. If you can, yeah.
Uh, so yes, fake rumors are being spread, fake news are being spread throughout the internet. But we, as a responsible person, we should verify if that news is true or not. Right? We cannot just like believe that news on being on just one platform that is not properly made for it. For example, you can see it on news channels that if it is fake or real, right? And one point of yours is that people are doing suicides because of games. But don't you think that many students are doing suicides because of NEET exams? So should we ban the exams? Obviously not. But how students handle internet, it totally depends on them. Like there are many games leagues that are held internationally and nationally too, and they are rewarded for being the best player in the world, right? So, and they are also earning well enough. Know, we also, you might also know many gamers on YouTube that are doing well and have many millions of subscribers, right? Obviously, for example,
But
Karim
are they
Nani,
in
obviously,
majority? Are they in majority or minority?
I think they are in majority because I have,
One in million, I
No,
guess.
no, they are minority, but majority people are following the minority.
Yeah.
because like right now many people are picking up like posting on YouTube or on social media like Instagram, Facebook. They are getting more and more followers, and people are slowly getting more famous, right? And by that they
Can we
can
say
gain.
at the place of more famous? Can we say renowned or well known? Renowned.
Yes, they are now more renowned and has gained much more fame than they ever could, right? So that's what I think.
That's a very good counter with a very relevant example. And this skill you have learned being here in the class. I have seen your journey. Initially, you were not able to counter people like this. But I kept on telling you how you can counter people or what you could have said, what you should have said. So you have learned that and you have got that skill now. That's a very good skill. So, any counter from anyone? The last counter.
Yes. I would like to speak. At,
Kanan, saying something?
So I also have some comment.
Sorry?
So I also have a comment. I also have a
You also have a
comment.
counter. So let's give Kanan the chance because she has spoken very less. Then we'll come back to you, Gaurav.
yes.
I'm agree with once, but
I am agree. I
I
agree.
agree with you. I agree with once, but we don't have to forget that nowadays
See,
people
अगर आप
following.
कहते हो ना मैं कुछ हद तक अग्री हूँ, up to some extent I agree with you. Say it like this, because when you
What
say I agree with you, so बिल्कुल बॉल उनके कोर्ट में ही चली जाती है.
In
Yeah.
sir, would you like to repeat the whole
Yes,
sentence?
I will. Up to some extent I agree with you. कुछ हद तक मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. Up to some extent I agree with you.
Up to some
Extent,
extent,
extent, extent, I agree with you.
I agree with you.
Because people smile when they hear, okay, you agree with me, then why are you countering me? So up to some extent I agree with you, but not completely. Why I'll tell you that. That's how we can begin it. Please continue.
So nowadays, you are saying that people are people are earning money, but we don't have to forget that I know that people is getting money, it's okay. But other one is like if someone following the same trend, they are not if they are not getting the same money, they are doing bad things. Like uh,
Yeah, they are.
if they are not get the same attention, so they are using means they are getting bad paths. We can say.
Okay, fine. Because they are disappointed, that's why they are
हाँ,
choosing the wrong path.
yes, sir.
Got it.
If like they are doing sir, इसकी वजह से बोलेंगे भेड़ चाल.
Bhed chal.
Like
They are following people blindly and going after the crowd.
yes, yes.
Okay. So they are following the crowd of people who are doing something. They are just copying them, doing the same thing, and not many people are able to make that much money with online gaming. A very
And
few
they are
people
getting
get that attention.
disappointed.
Or
And they are getting disappointed. And after that, they are like again they are using internet in very um, bad way.
that's completely okay. So many people want to play in Indian team as well. There are so many aspirants. Still, only one becomes the captain in the team. Once and only 11 players are there in total. If you count extra, then 16, if not more than that. So it happens everywhere. The competition is everywhere. What's the problem with that? Now the people who are choosing the wrong path, just imagine someone who is not able to become a cricketer, who who hasn't been selected in Indian team after so much of hard work. Should that person come out of the house with a bat and start beating other people with the same bat?
No, sir. But
He's going on the wrong path now. He's going on the wrong path, no?
some of them become depressed also.
It happens everywhere. You talk about your 10th class, your 12th class. In case you got less marks, which I am not sure whether you got or not, you must be disappointed. You must have been disappointed. So it does not mean you should have committed suicide. No, you are still here alive, and that's a very good thing. That's the right decision you have taken. So people should be responsible for their action, and they are responsible for their action. They should take the accountability of it. Why to just think like this? If I don't achieve it, I'll be disappointed. Definitely you will be, but you will be doomed if you don't try. So people should at least try something. In case they are not able to achieve, why should they go on the wrong path? Now just imagine a person who's preparing himself for becoming a cricketer. He has so much of discipline. He can become something else using that discipline. If you have got this much of discipline, you can become something else because you worked very hard to become a cricketer. You are fit, you are fine. You have the physique like Virat Kohli, Ronaldo, just imagine. Now if you are going on the wrong path, so you are to be blamed for it. No one else is to be blamed for it. It happens everywhere. In the whole country you see it. ये मेरा काउंटर था वंश की तरफ से और फैज़ान की तरफ से. क्यों? देखो, मैं आपको काउंटर करना सिखाना चाहता हूँ. आई एम नॉट इन समबडीज टीम. I can speak from your team too. If not today, some other day. I just want to teach you कि counter करा कैसे जाएगा so that no one can counter your point now. And I would love to be countered by you people. If still you have any counter on my point, please go ahead.
Sir, I don't have a counter on your points, but I have a counter for Vanch's point because I have noted down some
That's
of
great.
his point.
Okay, tell me
Uh,
one thing. Will you be done in 3 minutes?
yes.
Got it. Please go ahead.
So Vanch said that as a responsible citizen, we have to confirm the source of the uh, rumors, right? So can you suggest me how can I confirm the source of the rumor by visiting the site or by asking that people or by finding out that people those people who are spreading those rumors? I don't think so it is possible.
The right way of verifying the news, if you can tell. That's a very tough question, by the way. Okay.
Let me suggest
Sir,
you
we have done
let me suggest you a good source from where you can get the knowledge of current affairs or the news. You have the answer, or I have to suggest that.
Let's see if he has some answer. He does not, I guess. Do you have?
Do you have?
yes, we have done this topic before because that's why I'm
The what is the source?
like like uh, the news channels that we can like
News
If you
let
channels
can
are
reach.
they are showing uh, they are blaming the sorry sir, they are blaming the YouTube teachers right now. They are not giving us the knowledge, they are not giving us the current affairs or news. Let me give you the correct answer. The right source is the newspapers.
Okay.
Newspapers are the tools from where we can get the exact news or knowledge. And newspapers are not spreaded, are not used by the internets. They are published by the machines or they are published by the editors.
But
Uh,
we have in shorts, like I have in shorts in my phone.
but the nowadays we are using that. But when the internet is not there, the newspaper do their work. So you are saying that without internet we cannot survive as a human being.
It has become very much hard. The question is not whether we can survive or not. I think human being can survive in any harsh climate as well, and no matter whatever happens with him. That's all about the mind of the person. We all have seen Men versus Wild and all. We have seen that. So everything has become possible. It's not about the survival is possible or not.
Have you heard or seen the interviews of the judiciary aspirants or IAS IPS aspirants?
2-3 times, I guess.
Few times. The most common thing they suggested the aspirants that they say that cut off the internet, or while you are using the internet, do it uh, on a purpose or in some extent to gain knowledge only,
So you
not to
agree that we can gain knowledge using internet?
no.
Okay,
I'm
I'm
not
happy
totally
you agree
agree.
to some.
It is the source. Yes, we can say that it is
Got
a
it.
source, but I cannot totally say that it is the only source. There are various multiple sources from where we can knowledge. Internet is one of the source. In my opinion, if we exclude internet, people can also become IS IPS without using the internet. So why we depend on internet? People
Now
are
tell
so
me one thing.
dependent on
Tell me
internet
one
and
thing. One very simple question I have for
yes,
you. You are saying
yes,
we have to cut off the internet. That's okay. No
okay.
problem. I will just take out the wire of Wi-Fi and everything. I will do whatever you are saying.
Yes.
and I will not use my mobile phone. Okay, but tell me one thing, how will I pay anyone through UPI? Nowadays digitalization is going on, and even our prime minister is urging people to use the digital payment. So how will we do that?
So why it? Because it is now a social need. So the society is changing.
So
That
you
is
are
why we have
asking me
to
to
abide.
you are asking me to just don't think about
No, I
or
am not
not to
saying
think
that
about my need.
totally cut off the internet and don't use that. My point is that internet has caused many problems. Then
What if
it is
somebody
solved.
commits some cyber crime, somebody takes money from my bank account,
Yes.
if I use UPI?
Sorry.
If I use UPI and
Yes.
somebody takes money from my bank account, so
Hmm.
it can also be a problem for me. That's why I'm saying I have to just remove the roots of it. Can't I do
Yes.
that?
Yes, we can say that.
Or what would you suggest me? I have two options for you.
Okay.
The first one is I have to just stop using UPI because somebody called me up. The person said there would be a
Risk.
tick mark and you have to
Yes.
just click on it, and that's how I will
Yes.
lose
Yes.
all my money, whatever I have saved in my entire life. The first option, I stop using internet at all because of cyber crime and people are taking money from my bank account. So many people are sitting out there keeping eye on my bank account that this person has so much money, 50 rupees in his account. uh, and the second person, or I become the second person who uses internet but becoming aware of it, becoming aware of all the things whatever is going on around me.
I would suggest that you should have become the second person.
So I have to be aware of it.
Yes.
बट पीपल, जो मैंने आपको अभी दिखाया काइंड ऑफ डिबेट करके जितेश के साथ इनके पॉइंट को काउंटर करके, सिर्फ मैंने आपको इसलिए दिखाया कि you have to go very much deep inside. Sometimes you have to dive deeper into it. You have to keep two options in front of the person कि बताओ मैं क्या करूँ. Now if the person agrees to the second one, which is the option of yours, which you have been suggesting throughout your talk, which you have been talking about, so you are, at least you are happy that he agrees with me up to some extent. Okay, in a debate no one wins, no one loses. You win in your mind, you lose in your mind, and you become happy after the debate. You tell all the family members that I won the debate even if you lost it. So it happens always, but I'm just telling you, try to be a deep thinker, because debate requires deep thinking. Literally I am telling you, बिल्कुल जड़ पे जाके आपको अगर बात करनी आती है. Now people will be shocked कि ये point मैंने सोचा नहीं था. If there is a bouncer which you can't play, you will call it a good ball. So at least one bouncer you should throw, no? So if you have this kind of bouncer, that's a very good chance for you to just make anyone shocked with your statement, with your point, and that is something you have to try. अभी debate करने के लिए you still have to think so much deeply, but so many of you are literally performing so well, you are speaking so well. Faizan, I don't know what happened with him. Faizan, you speak well, but still, like today I saw you were somewhere confused, you were forgetting so many things. Why? I don't know what happened with you. Who said what to you?
No, sir, I started well, but in between, I forgot what is the point after that point, after first point, after second point.
देखो, वापसी करने की बात होती है, वापस आने की बात होती है, बाउंस बैक करने की बात होती है. कभी स्टार्टिंग बहुत ख़राब होती है, यू हैव टू मैनेज, यू हैव टू हैंडल इट सो वेल. कभी ऐसा होता है स्टार्टिंग बहुत अच्छी है, उसके बाद थोड़ा बीच में कुछ ख़राब हो गया, फिर अगेन आपको वो बैलेंस करना आना चाहिए. प्रॉब्लम ये होती है हम होप लूज़ कर देते हैं. थोड़ा सा ख़राब हुआ, बैलेंस आउट हुआ, पूरी गाड़ी थोड़ी गिरानी है हमें. पीछे से कोई और गाड़ी आ रही है तो चढ़ जाएगी ना फिर आप पर. तो थोड़ा सा बैलेंस आउट होते हो ना, जस्ट टेक अ मोमेंट, टेक सम टाइम, just maintain the balance. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन बाउंस बैक. और हो सकता है कि आपने जो बिल्कुल ही ऐसा इनवैलिड और बहुत ही ज़्यादा इरेशनल काइंड ऑफ पॉइंट बोला था आपने, जिसमें इतना सा लॉजिक नहीं था, क्या पता उसके बाद बैक टू बैक 3 लॉजिकल पॉइंट्स आपके ऐसे आएँ विच नो वन कैन काउंटर. तो एक डिबेटर कभी हार नहीं मानता. बट हाँ, for the sake of debating you don't have to speak anything like the way we keep on seeing our politicians speak anything and they say AQI, इससे हम जज kind of AQI हम इससे मेजर कर सकते हैं and all. Thermometer I guess somebody said maybe. So these things are beyond our comprehension. Even if we are not the students of science, still we know this much basic science कि उससे क्या हो सकता है और क्या नहीं हो सकता. So being relevant, diving deeper into it, and so many things are there which not everyone understands coming in the class, because दूसरी क्लासेस में आप जाते हो, टीचर्स आपके साथ इन्वॉल्व ही नहीं होते डिबेट में. बट आई डू इन्वॉल्व विद पीपल. वॉट इफ़ आई लूज? नो प्रॉब्लम, आई एम नॉट हेयर टू विन. what will I do by winning? You will appreciate me maybe, but I don't need that appreciation anymore. I have got it enough in the last 7 years. तो अब ऐसा लगता है अब तो डायरिया हो जाएगा if people appreciate me more. So that's okay for me. That's completely fine for me. It has become my habit of being appreciated by people. But I want you to get the appreciation because it is your time. It is not my time. In my time, I have got enough appreciation from people. Starting everything from the scratch, I have seen so many things in my life. A person who used to be a lisper, if he can speak with you or with anyone, if he can have a debate with anyone, if he can defeat anyone, so that's a different kind of satisfaction we have.
Yes, yes.
So
And one more thing, sir, I'm not afraid of losing the debate, but I'm afraid of what if I make the mistake, what if my grammar is not correct, what if my sentence is not correct.
okay, so let me ask you, what will happen if your grammar is wrong, if your vocabulary is very, like you have used some wrong word, at the place of some word you spoke some other word, if your pronunciation is very much pathetic, what will happen? जेल थोड़ी हो जाएगी.
half of the at that time I will lose half of the debate.
Not at all. How will you lose? आपकी बात तब भी समझ पाऊंगा, मैं भी समझ पाऊंगा, सब समझ पाएंगे. मेरी इंग्लिश ख़राब नहीं है फिर भी समझ जाऊंगा. जिनकी ख़राब है वो तो समझ ही जाएंगे क्योंकि यू बोथ आर इन द सेम बोट. तो कौन ऐसा है जो नहीं समझ पाया? समझ सब जाते हैं.
And we all are here for to learn. We all are in the same boat. We all are in the learning phase. What if you are making mistakes?
Even if
People
you are
learn
not
from
in the boat, you are in Titanic, जो डूबने वाली है. Still that's that's completely okay. There is no problem. If you know डूबने वाली है, no problem. शान से डूबेंगे. हाँ.
Yes, sir.
So the problem is here. प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे, ज़्यादा ओवर थिंक करोगे तो ये प्रॉब्लम आपके साथ आएगी और हमेशा आएगी. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अब कैमरा बंद करके आपको रोना नहीं है. इट्स ओके, इट हैपन्स. आई एम किडिंग. That's all from my side. I say bye to all of you. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.
Bye.